In today's video, I'm going to teach you Synthesia AI Templates Tutorial for Beginners. How to create your AI avatar. We'll start simple so you can get from idea to finished AI. Avatar video fast. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Synthesia and look for the official Synthesia site in the results. Click through to the website, and once you're in the app dashboard, you're ready to begin creating. On the dashboard, look for the Create button and click it. This opens the project area where you can build a video. To speed things up, we'll use a template. Templates come with layouts, styling, and an avatar-ready scene, so you don't have to design from scratch. Browse the categories. Pick a design that fits your message. Think about tone, color, and layout, and then click. Use template to load it into the editor. With your template open, start by editing the title. Keep it clear and benefit-focused so viewers instantly understand the topic. Short, strong phrases work best, and capitalization should be consistent with your brand style. If your title wraps to multiple lines, adjust the size so it remains readable on both desktop and mobile. Next, edit the subtitle. Use this line to add a quick supporting detail or outcome, like what the audience will learn or why it matters. Keep it concise to avoid text overflow, and make sure the color has enough contrast with the background for accessibility. Now write your voiceover script. In the script panel, type a few tight sentences that sound natural when spoken. Aim for everyday language, short sentences, and a clear takeaway. For example, you could share a quick productivity tip and a practical reason to try it today. Punctuation matters here. Use commas and periods to guide pacing and avoid long, complicated sentences. If your template supports multiple scenes, keep each scene focused on one idea. If it's a single scene, keep the script brief so the avatar has time to deliver it cleanly. When your text looks good, click Generate. Synthesia will begin rendering your video with the selected avatar speaking your script. You'll typically see a progress indicator with an estimated time. If a confirmation or settings panel appears, click Generate again to confirm and start the final render. Don't close the tab while it processes. Once the render completes, your AI avatar video is ready to preview. If you spot anything to tweak, like phrasing, timing, or line breaks, go back, make the changes, and generate again. That's it. You've created an AI avatar video using a template, quickly and confidently.